Imagine an adventure unfolding in the coastal city of Mombasa, where the sun kisses the Indian Ocean and history whispers in the narrow alleys. Tembea, Kenya Adventures welcomes you on a journey to this vibrant city, a place where cultural richness meets natural beauty. Today, we're going to explore Mombasa in a way that's friendly to your pockets. Yes, you heard it right. We're here to show you that you can indulge in the charm and allure of this city without spending a fortune. From the magic of the old town to the hustle and bustle of Marikiti Market, from the sun, sand, and pirates to the breathtaking views of Ngina Drive, we've got 7 budget-friendly activities that will help you experience the best of Mombasa. So buckle up as we dive into the rich tapestry of Mombasa, proving that an unforgettable experience doesn't have to break the bank. Start your Mombasa journey in the heart of the city, the Old Town. This is a place where the past and present intertwine, creating a rich tapestry of culture and history. Old Town is a maze of narrow, winding streets, lined with antique buildings that whisper tales of an age-long past. These structures, adorned in Swahili architecture, are like silent storytellers, narrating the city's vibrant history through their ornate doors and intricate balconies. In Old Town, every corner has a story to tell. As you meander through its labyrinthine alleys, you'll find yourself stepping back in time, immersed in the echoes of ancient trade routes, colonial influences, and the enduring spirit of the Swahili people. You'll discover old fortresses, mosques, and merchant houses, all bearing the marks of Mombasa's diverse cultural influences, from Arab and Persian to Portuguese and British. But Old Town is not just about history. It's also a thriving hub of contemporary Swahili culture. Here, the air is filled with the tantalizing aroma of local delicacies, the rhythmic beats of taarab music, and the bustling sounds of artisans at work. You'll see vibrant markets selling traditional handicrafts, aromatic spices, and intricately designed jewelry. You'll taste the flavors of Mombasa in its street food, from Swahili biryani to coconut-infused mahamri. And let's not forget about the people. The locals of Old Town, with their warm smiles and welcoming nature, are the heart and soul of this place. They infuse it with a unique charm that makes your exploration all the more enriching. Engage with them, listen to their stories, and you'll gain insights into Mombasa's past and present that no guidebook can offer. A walk through Old Town is a walk through time, a budget-friendly step into history. It's a chance to immerse yourself in Mombasa's rich cultural heritage, to see the city through the lens of its past, and to understand the nuances that make it the vibrant, eclectic city it is today. So when in Mombasa, let Old Town be your first stop. Its magic is waiting to be discovered. Ditch the city's hustle for a day under the sun at the stunning beaches. Mombasa's coastline is a paradise where turquoise waters meet pristine white sands. Among these gems is Diani Beach, a stretch of beauty that is as affordable as it is breathtaking. Here you can bask in the warmth of the sun, play beach volleyball with locals, or simply enjoy the rhythmic dance of the waves. But the magic of Diani Beach goes beyond its sun-kissed shores. It's home to legendary coral reefs that are teeming with vibrant marine life. And the best part? Exploring this underwater wonderland doesn't have to cost you a fortune. Snorkeling gear is available for rent at prices that will make your wallet breathe a sigh of relief. So grab a mask and fins and dive into a world where colorful fish dart through intricate coral formations. Every moment spent under the water is a memory etched in your heart, a treasure that's worth more than gold. From Diani, we journey to Shimoni, a hidden gem that offers a different kind of beach experience. Shimoni is known for its crystal-clear waters that serve as a window to an aquatic realm brimming with life. Budget-friendly snorkeling tours are available here, providing an unforgettable glimpse into this marine world. From playful dolphins to majestic sea turtles, the residents of Shimoni are ready to welcome you into their home. But Shimoni is not just about the underwater spectacle. The village itself is a charm, with friendly locals who are always ready to share a story or two about their beloved home. So, after a day of sun, sand, and snorkeling, take a stroll around the village and soak in the local culture. The beaches of Mombasa are a testament to the fact that you don't need to break the bank to have an amazing adventure. They offer a perfect blend of relaxation, exploration, and cultural immersion, all without putting a strain on your budget. Soak up the sun and explore the underwater world, all without stretching your wallet. Step into the vibrant world of Marikiti Market, the city's pulsating heart. This isn't just a marketplace, it's a symphony of sights, sounds, and scents that thrum with the rhythm of Mombasa's daily life. Picture stall after stall brimming with fresh produce. Mountains of mangoes, pineapples, and guavas, their sweet fragrance hanging heavy in the air. Piles of okra, tomatoes, and kale, their colors an artist's palette of greens and reds. And don't forget the spices, a sensory maelstrom of turmeric, cinnamon, and cardamom, their potent aromas wafting through the market's bustling lanes. Around you, the market hums with activity. You'll hear the lively chatter of vendors hawking their wares, the hearty laughter of shoppers sharing stories, and the soft rustle of money exchanging hands. It's a beautiful cacophony that's music to your ears, a testament to the hustle and the bustle that Marikiti Market is famous for. But the market isn't just about buying and selling, it's also about haggling. Here, bargaining isn't just a transaction, it's an art form. It's a dance of words and gestures where buyers and sellers engage in a playful tug-of-war over prices. You'll find yourself swept up in the thrill of it, your heart racing as you negotiate your way to the freshest produce at the most reasonable prices. Yet amidst the flurry of activity, there's a sense of community that binds everyone together. It's in the shared smiles, the warm greetings, and the helping hands. It's in the way that strangers become friends, bonding over the simple joy of a good bargain. In the end, Marikiti Market isn't just a place to shop, it's a place to experience. It's a place where you dive headfirst into the local culture, immerse yourself in the rhythm of daily life, and come away with more than just a bag full of fresh produce. Marikiti Market, where the city's life unfolds and your wallet stays intact. Trade the market's bustle for the stoic walls of Fort Jesus. This historic gem is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, perched on Mombasa's coral stone, overlooking the turquoise Indian Ocean. Built in the 16th century by Portuguese explorers, Fort Jesus stands as a testament to the city's rich past, narrating tales of conquest and resilience. Its thick walls have withstood the test of time, much like the resilient spirit of the Kenyan people. The fort, designed in the shape of a human body, was a strategic masterpiece of its time. The head and feet of the fort were designed as gun points, making it a formidable fortress against attackers. As you wander through the labyrinth of corridors, you'll stumble upon remnants of a bygone era. The old barracks, the prison cells, the gunpowder room, each nook and cranny whispers stories of a time when the fort was a bustling hub of activity. The on-site museum provides a deeper dive into the fort's history, showcasing artifacts from the Portuguese, Arab, and British periods. And as the day wanes, prepare for the crowning glory of your visit, a sunset view that rivals the most beautiful paintings. The sky bursts into a palette of fiery oranges and soft pinks, casting a warm glow on the fort's rugged walls. The sun dips into the ocean, leaving a trail of gold on the water. It's a spectacle that's etched in your memory long after you've left. In addition to the rich history and stunning views, Fort Jesus offers another advantage. The entrance fee is minimal, making it a budget-friendly addition to your Mombasa itinerary. While the fort's past is steeped in battles and conquests, today it stands as a symbol of peace and cultural diversity, attracting history buffs, architecture enthusiasts, and sunset seekers from around the globe. History, sunset, and a minimal entrance fee, Fort Jesus is a treasure trove. It's more than just a destination, it's a journey through Kenya's vibrant past, a walk through time, and an experience that enriches your understanding of this diverse land. From historical forts to a thrilling encounter with crocs at Mamba village. Welcome to a place where the might of the crocodile reigns supreme, a place where you can feel your adrenaline surge as you come face to face with one of nature's most impressive predators. Yes, we're talking about Mamba village, a unique sanctuary that houses not only these formidable reptiles, but also offers a range of other adventures that will get your heart racing. At Mamba village, you'll find giant crocs basking lazily in the sun, their eyes half closed, yet ever watchful. Each crocodile has a story, a history, and the handlers at Mamba village are more than happy to share these tales with you. It's not every day you get to witness these magnificent creatures in such close quarters, but the crocodiles aren't the only attraction here. Venture further into the village, and you'll find yourself surrounded by a lush green paradise. The botanical garden at Mamba village is a sight to behold, with its variety of plants that paint the landscape in a myriad of colors. The air is filled with the sweet scent of flowers, providing a calming contrast to the thrilling encounter with the crocodiles. And the adventure doesn't stop there. Mamba village is also home to a man-made lake that beckons you to embark on a tranquil boat ride. As you glide over the placid waters, you can feel the gentle breeze on your face and watch the world go by. It's a serene experience, a welcome respite from the excitement of the crocodile encounter. What's more, all these adventures come at a budget-friendly price. Mamba village is proof that you can experience thrills and chills without burning a hole in your pocket. It's a place that offers something for everyone: the thrill seekers, the nature lovers, and those who simply want to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. Thrills, chills, and a budget-friendly ticket. Mamba village is an adventure lover's dream. So when you're in Mombasa, be sure to make a pit stop at this incredible sanctuary. After all, where else can you rule alongside the crocs? Scene script: escape the urban hustle for the serene beauty of Ngina Drive. Just picture it. An expansive view of the Indian Ocean stretching as far as the eye can see, the rhythmic lullaby of the waves crashing against the shoreline, and a gentle breeze carrying the salty tang of the sea. This is Ngina Drive, Mombasa's tranquil retreat, where nature's grandeur unfolds in all its glory. Named after Kenya's First Lady, Ngina Drive is a picturesque waterfront promenade offering breathtaking views of the azure Indian Ocean. As you stroll along its length, the urban cacophony fades into the background, replaced by the soothing symphony of the sea. It's a panoramic spectacle that costs nothing but offers a priceless sense of tranquility. But the allure of Ngina Drive extends beyond its scenic beauty. It is also the perfect spot for a do-it-yourself picnic, a delightful opportunity to savor homemade treats against the backdrop of the ocean. Imagine unwrapping your favorite sandwich, the aroma mingling with the fresh sea air as you watch the boats bobbing in the distance. It's a simple pleasure, but one that holds a special charm. As you savor your picnic, the world slows down around you. The palm fronds sway in the wind, the sun casts dancing reflections on the water, and the distant laughter of children playing on the beach fills the air. It's these moments, these snapshots of tranquility, that make Ngina Drive such a unique destination. And as the day winds down, don't forget to stay for the sunset. The sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant hues, painting a picture so mesmerizing that it seems almost surreal. As the sun dips below the horizon, it bids farewell with a spectacle of colors, leaving behind a promise of another beautiful day. Nature's beauty, a homemade picnic, and zero expense. Ngina Drive is a breath of fresh air. It's a place that reminds us that the best things in life are indeed free. It's not just a drive, it's an experience of serenity that lingers long after the visit. Round off your Mombasa adventure with a selfie at the iconic Mombasa tusks. These colossal ivory arcs, built in 1956 to commemorate Queen Elizabeth's visit, are more than just a landmark. They symbolize the entrance to the heart of the city, embodying the spirit of Mombasa. As you stand beneath the towering tusks, imagine the stories they could tell. They've witnessed the city's transformation, from a quiet coastal town to a bustling tourist hub. They've seen countless adventurers like you, each with their unique tales of discovery and joy. Now, it's your turn to be a part of this narrative. Unleash your inner photographer and take a selfie with the tusks. Whether you strike a pose, make a funny face, or simply smile, each click captures a moment of your journey, a snapshot of your adventure. A selfie with the Mombasa tusks is a timeless memory, and it doesn't cost a dime. So there you have it, 7 thrilling activities in Mombasa that won't strain your budget. From the historical charm of the old town to the sun-soaked beaches, there's an adventure for everyone. Immerse yourself in the hustle and bustle of Marikiti Market, or take a step back in time at Fort Jesus. And who could forget the awe-inspiring Mamba village, where crocs rule? Don't miss out on the breathtaking views from Mamba and Ngina Drive. And of course, no visit is complete without a selfie at the iconic Mombasa tusks. These activities not only offer a wealth of experiences, but also prove that exploring this stunning city doesn't have to break the bank. It's about making memories, connecting with the culture, and embracing the spirit of adventure. Remember, an unforgettable adventure in Mombasa doesn't have to cost the earth. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting videos from Tembea Kenya Adventures.